Controlling mouse with Python. How does one control the mouse cursor in Python, i.e. move it to certain position and click, under Windows?
Try with the Pyotogi module. It's multi-platform. And so, it also has other features. This is much easier than going through all the Win32con stuff.
You can use Win32 API or C-Types module to use Win32 APIS for controlling mouse or any GUI. Here is a fun example to control mouse using Win32 API. A click using C-Types.
As of 2022, you can use mouse. Full API documentation. Features. Global event hook on all mice devices, captures events regardless of. Focus, listen and sends mouse events, works with Windows and Linux, requires sudo pure Python, no C modules to be compiled, zero dependencies. Trivial to install and deploy, just copy the files. Python 2.3 includes high-level API, for example record and play, events automatically captured in separate thread, doesn't block main program. Tested and documented. Installation. Windows, pip install mouse, Linux, sudo pip install mouse.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.